get to work in one piece with 12 miles and my gas. I thought I wasn't gonna make it, but I did. So here we go. Hi, and welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. We're gonna be amazing. We're gonna do great. So my face is so puffy. I need to drink water, but let's do this. Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas day 2. It is Thursday and I'm driving home and there's a lot of traffic, like a lot of traffic. And the car behind me always stops like very short. But yeah, so today was a good day at work. Oh yeah, I gave my friends the little advent calendar and they liked it. They're like, what? It's not Christmas yet. What are we getting a gift? And I was like, you have to open it today because it's an advent calendar. So they will, and they said they were going to send me pictures. So if they do, I will put them here. It was supposed to rain Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but now it only looks like tonight to tomorrow morning a little bit, and then Saturday, no more rain, and Sunday it's going to rain. So luckily, the events that I'm going to, the only one that's outdoors is Saturday, and that one seems like it's gonna be fine, so we'll be good. So for today, I'm gonna make dinner, and dinner is gonna be grilled cheese with tomato soup. I love that combination, so that's why we've been eating almost every single week grilled cheese and tomato soup. It's just delicious, and so I'm excited to make that, and I'll show you guys how I make it. Usually, I'm gonna be completely honest, Ryan usually does the tomato soup and the grilled cheeses because he's really good at that. So maybe I can convince him to do it, but who knows? Maybe I'll be the one who makes it. Okay. There's 2 things I need to prep for the party tomorrow. We're gonna, oh, sorry, we're gonna do white elephant. Sorry, since he's here, right, little baby. So we're gonna do white elephant. My idea is to put these stockings in the chimney, and each one will have a number inside. So I'll tell each person to choose a stocking. They get to keep it, and then we'll have a number inside. So I have to prep 18 of these. I think 18. I have to check the numbers right now. And then this is a list of the people that are going. So yeah, it'll be good. If these are all done, so I'm gonna put these back in the bag. Next up is actually, we're gonna do a little awards ceremony, so I have to put the labels on all of them. I already printed them out. Some of them are inappropriate, so I won't show you, but it's fun times. I'm gonna try to put them all face up. What just happened? This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not. Ryan is making tomato soup.
Why is it like yellow in the camera?
I don't know. But it's Campbell's, and
Yeah, that's not the right color. The color here is like more orangey. This is more yellow in the video.
yeah. And bleach. Thank you. Okay, so there's a few things I need to do, starting with washing dishes. I need to put the soup away. Put the cans in recycling. Alright, sis, we're gonna do your first day of Advent, okay? The Advent calendar. Day 1 is down here. This already smells it. Easy. Day one of Advent is a bell. Is it pretty? Yes. Good boy. Zeus, you finish your food? You finish your food? What do you get? What do you get? Come on, show me. Show me what do you get when you finish your food. Use your nose. Yes. Good boy. Okay, hold on. Hey, show Daddy, okay?
Lucy, what did you get, puppy?
Show Daddy.
Zeus.
Show Daddy.
Zeus.
Hey, show Daddy.
What do you get? Oh,
Good
you got
boy.
a gift. You got a
Yes.
gift.